Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommends movies you might like? Or how self-driving cars know when to turn, stop, or accelerate? The answer is machine learning, a core aspect of artificial intelligence. This technology powers many modern marvels, from voice recognition to personalized advertising. It's the invisible brain behind services we use daily, constantly learning and adapting to improve our experiences. To understand how this works, we need to delve into the three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Imagine a teacher guiding a student. That's supervised learning in a nutshell. This form of machine learning is all about learning from examples. Picture it like this: the algorithm or student is presented with labeled data or lessons from which it learns. This learning is used to make predictions or decisions without being specifically programmed to perform the task. A classic example is an email spam filter, which learns to distinguish junk from important mail based on previous labeling. Or consider weather predictions, where historical data about temperature, humidity, and wind speed are used to predict future weather conditions. Even credit scoring systems use this learning model, analyzing past financial behaviors to determine creditworthiness. In essence, supervised learning is like learning with a teacher, using known data to predict future outcomes. Now, imagine a child exploring the world on their own, learning without any guidance. Welcome to unsupervised learning. This is where the magic happens in the realm of machine learning. Unlike its supervised counterpart, unsupervised learning operates without labeled data. It's like a detective, delving into the unknown, searching for clues and patterns that haven't been spotted before. Imagine a retail business wanting to understand its customers better. Unsupervised learning can segment customers into different groups based on their shopping habits. Or consider a security system that needs to spot unusual activity. Anomaly detection is another example where unsupervised learning shines, identifying outliers in data that could signal potential threats. Unsupervised learning, therefore, is like learning without a teacher, uncovering hidden patterns and structures from data. Finally, think about how a dog learns to fetch. It tries different approaches and gets rewarded when it succeeds. That's reinforcement learning. Now, imagine a computer program doing the same thing, learning from its mistakes and successes. This is the concept of reinforcement learning, a type of machine learning where an algorithm learns by trial and error, receiving rewards or penalties. It's like playing a game of chess against yourself, each move teaching you something about strategy and outcomes. Take self-driving cars, for instance. They utilize reinforcement learning to make decisions on the road. The algorithm tries out different actions like changing lanes or adjusting speed and gets feedback, positive for safe maneuvers, negative for risky ones. Over time, the vehicle becomes better at driving, just like a human driver would. Similarly, computer programs that play games like Go or chess also use reinforcement learning. They play millions of games against themselves, learning which moves lead to victory and which to defeat. In sum, reinforcement learning is like learning by experience, constantly improving through trial and error.